jibenta na ka jingrakhe ya ka wall no tobacco de ban ïalap sha ki paidbah halor ka jingma jong ka jingdih duma lane ka jingbam duma ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh menta ka sngi ka khasantring jumang kala penlong ya ka jingyai paidbah da ka basdang na school Alpha Shasor Nongpoh bat penkut biang pat haplau jong ka school na ka benta ban ïalap halor ka jingkta jong ka jingdih duma lane ka jingbam duma Haswa ban penlong ya ka jingyai paidbah ki board jong ka school kala penlong shwa ya ki program ajhika ja ki khna halor ka jingma jong ka jingdih duma lane bam duma da ka ba ajingkren da ki nohikai ba ki khna school ba hadin ka ta kala beteng da ka jingyai paidbah amadra ai ki plakat ki banar harangkat ki jingtho ki ba persya ban persngeu sha ki paidbah ba uduma udei ujingdi ubasniu ubakta ya ka koi ka khya haba ajingkren ha ka ni ka sngi ka kong WK bla ka principal jong ka school kala ong ba ki board pnya school kila penlong ya kene ka jing penya paidbah kalong ban ïalap halor ka jingma jong ka jingkta uduma bat kum ki bor penya school kila pesngut hu sha ki khna school kum ju ro sha ki paidbah bat kalong ru si benta ban rakhe ya ka wall no tobacco de kala kren ru ba ka jingdi duma ne ka jingbam duma ka kta si sha ya ka koi ka khia jong ki breu de namar kani ka daw kum ka school kala ïalap sha ya duma bat da ka ba kentu ru ya ki khna ba kim de ban kta ya duma ne ki we ki jingdi ki basni namar ka kta ta om tang ya ka koi ka khia henry kum ju ro ha ki liang baro
may look like a middle age guy, like whose age is 35. Like aromatic hydrocarbons is home, which is one of the main.
Or not young.
I cannot smoke. Here, otherwise I can show you, but I cannot show you the nicotine presence in the cigarette. So for this, we are doing this demonstration. So in this demonstration, like we fill up this bottle with the water, and there is, you can see the outlet is there with this pipe. So when the water will flow out of this pipe, that means it put pressure in the bottle, which will pull the, smoke inside the bottle. Like how when a person, a smoker, smoke a cigarette, right? So where the smoke goes, it goes inside. So now I cannot show you that, so that's why we are using this demonstration, right? It enters in the body. It enters in our body, right? Now when it enters in the body, that smoke, it goes to different parts of our body, mainly in our blood. Our blood is called oxygenated blood. So when the smoke enters in our body and it goes to the blood, it reduces the level of oxygen in our blood. That is the result that some of our friends says that students, they mentioned that it causes asthma also. Now, this smoke, it contains a chemical which is called tar, T-A-R, tar. And the tar contains a drug which is called nicotine. Now, through this demonstration, we have shown you this is the presence of nicotine in the cigarette. Now, when this nicotine, it enters in our body, especially when it goes to the brain, in our brain we have neurotransmitter, a receptor, which gives signals to our body. So, this nicotine, it reacts with the receptors present in our brain. And when it reacts with the receptors in our brain, it produces a different type of chemical hormones which is called dopamine. Dopamine is a hormone produced by this nicotine, and this dopamine makes, once it interact or react with the natural receptors present in the brain, it makes us for time being feel happy. We feel relaxed, free from depression. But once the effect of dopamine is gone, then again the brain demands. That's why the person who smokes keep on smoking. Actually the brain is demanding that dopamine hormones, that chemical hormones, that it will come to the brain, then again brain will feel relaxed. But in real life, practically, if you are wise enough, then always remember that we don't need dopamine to make ourselves happy and relaxed. We have many ways and means are there to make ourselves happy. Any work you do, any type of activity you are doing, either at home or in the school, that will make you happy if you take it in a positive way. So that's why this demonstration, its main target is to show you that how the nicotine, it enters in our body and affect our brain and the body. So just say, I request all the youngsters, because some of you get trapped to smoking just to show that you have a manly character. Some are smoking, they don't know the effect of smoke. They simply smoke because they feel that, yeah, I'm a boy, smoking. by smoking you cannot be a boy. Because it disturbs the whole family. If one you get sick, then it disturbs the entire family. You bring disturbance in the family by developing this habit. So we request from the teacher side, not only the teachers, all the elders in the society, at home, here we say that please say no to tobacco.
Alright, this is a very important awareness that we can create, and we from the school level. Look aside, that is why this is very important. Why? Because this has become a serious health issue. Using tobacco has become a serious health issue. And that is why creating awareness at the school level for you to know the bad effects and for you to understand that you should not start or form the habit of smoking, chewing tobacco at the early stage will help you develop a good health and will help you keep away from this bad habit that will cause addiction and serious health problems in the future. India, for the matter, we have, it's almost a cultural use of tobacco. And in the state of Meghalaya, we have a large number of cancer cases because or as a result of tobacco chewing. And that is why we are here making you students of Alpha School number 1 to understand the bad effects of tobacco and how not to get habituated to having it. We have our parents who used to smoke and chew kaini and kutka and shikar and all of that. And some of you are following their habits, but please, maybe they have not learned. But for you, you have learned. And we are creating that awareness now so that you boys and girls can learn not to get habituated or not to start touching tobacco at all. And also to pass on this message of not using tobacco because it is a serious health issue. It will be a health problem. All of us, God created us a beautiful, wonderful body where we should not spoil that by using things that will cause harm to it. We want you boys and girls to be healthy and strong now and healthy and strong in the future. So we thank the Education Department of having made this program, like so to say, every school must do this, must create this awareness so that our district, we have healthy students, our state and the nation as a whole.